guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic. We're talking about that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you guys need to find where the headlight relay is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain where you can get cheap relays and fuses from, because they can be really expensive and hard to find. And also we'll talk why it's important to test relays and fuses, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure you stay till the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running. If it's blown, you can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So we're going to demonstrate where the headlight relay is located on a 2017 Honda Civic. Now, if you want to see where the headlight fuses are located for high beams, low beams, we have the video on the channel, you can check it out. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to open the fuse box that's under the hood. That's where your main relays will be. And you will see you will have a fuse box right here in the very right corner. Right, if you come, you open that cover, that lid here. If you open it, you're going to see a fuse layout, okay, that looks just like that. This will be the front of your Honda Civic. This is towards the windshield side. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the relay for the headlights, guys, you can see, okay, if we come, you have different kinds of relays. We will list the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. If we zoom out, you will see that first relay right here above that okay, that huge relay right here, that relay right here, guys, that's the one that you will need to check for the headlights, okay, that right there. If your headlights still do not work, check, you have fuses for low beams, high beams, left headlight, right headlight. You have multiple fuses that you will need to check, and the videos will be on our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.